Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to discuss the derivative of secant function. So firstly, let f of x is equal to secant function of x. Now f of x plus delta x will be what? Secant of x plus delta x. Now from definition of derivative we know it is limit delta x tends to 0 f of x plus delta x, which is sec of x plus delta x, minus f of x, which is secant of x over delta x, which is limit delta x tends to 0. We know secant is what? 1 over cos of x plus delta x minus 1 over cos of x over delta x. And if you simplify this, what? Cos of x minus cos of x plus delta x over delta x cos of x plus delta x. And since cos x does not contain delta x, so it can come out here. Cos of x limit delta x tends to 0, and cos of a minus cos b, cos a minus cos b, which is so let's treat this as a, okay? A, b, and this as b. So it will be 2 sine of x plus delta x over 2 sine of delta x over 2. If you simplify, okay? Cos b minus cos a is 2 sine a plus b over 2 sine a minus b over 2, and applying this one here. If you simplify, you will get this one over delta x into cos of x plus delta x. Now using the properties of limit, 1 over cos x limit delta x tends to 0 sine of delta x over 2 divided by delta x over 2, this and this one, into limit delta x tends to 0 sine of x plus delta x over 2 over cos of x plus delta x, which is 1 over cos of x. We know this one is limit delta x tends to 0 sine of delta x over 2 divided by delta x over 2, which is just 1. And if you put here delta x equal to 0 here, you get what? Sine of x over cos of x. So 1 over cos means sec, and sine over cos means tangent of x. Okay, now derivative of secant function of x is tan x sec x.